guys, welcome back to Zig the Programming Guide channel. My name is Beatrice, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to use Hala app. So I know a lot of people don't know how the app works and how to use it. So first thing, you have to you know you have to create an account. Creating an account don't really take much of your time. Actually, it's not that hard. Then next thing, you have to upload your photos and set up your profile as well. Do your face verification and that, right? So after doing that, you have to join an agency. So you can just pick on any agency and just enter. So you can see, let's try to enter best agency to join. So once you click on that, you can now see how the agency is looking. It's looking very choked up, like everybody is just in this agency. You understand? So after doing this, this is where you are going to stay to complete all your taxes, right? So let me just show you how to do that. So once you click on me below right there, you can see tax. So once you click on tax, you can see my today tax, host on mic for 2 hours. So once I click on go, it's going to take me to my own panel. You understand? So I'm going to stay here for at least 2 hours. So after 2 hours, I'm going to earn about 1,000 points. Yeah, 1,000 points. So after that, I can now do new host on mic for 1 hour. So any new host that stays in my panel for 1 hour and the rest of that. So this one now is, I have to receive a heart gift, receive a drum gift, receive a crown gift, receive a castle face gift, and a lot, and play games too. So that's how it works. So that is how to use the app. So how to recharge? You can see recharge right here. Once you click on recharge, you have to wait for it to load up. Alright. So after waiting for that to load up, all these things are not available because you have to buy from an agency. So click on that. So you can see agencies you can buy recharge coins from. You can buy coins for. You can just chat up someone and you can now hit up the person and you're going to get your coins. You can see 70,000 coins is about $10, approximately 15k in Nigeria currency. So this is how to recharge. After recharging, you can now play games on Hala app. You can see the store. So this is how the store looks like. You can buy your birthday party for 9999999, approximately 1 million coins, right? And the rest of that, you can buy a lot of things right here. You can see entry. You can buy for Christmas. You can buy special ID, team, and the rest of that. So that is literally where you can buy all your stuffs. So you can do invitation. Once you invite someone, you get a bonus. That's how it works, right? When you invite, it's not like it's necessary, but if you want to get more coins, that's how you can just get that. And see backpack. Backpack, you can just, this is just once you're newcomer glue, you can see. So you can just renew it, and that is how it works. Then level. So for level, you have to use your coin to actually level up, right? You have to recharge at least 3,000 coins for upgrade to level 2. So that's how it works. Then here is the tax. I've explained the tax already. You have to do all this tax in order to earn coins. So that is how it works. So this is coin sellers and the rest of that. So message right here is where you get a lot of message. Because I've not joined any agency, you can see agencies are trying to, they want me to enter their own agency. So once I click on any of them, I can now join their agency. So moments, this is where you can just see a lot of people post their stuffs and the rest of that. And you can also post about yourself too. So once you click here, you can just write something, share moments right there. Here, room is where you can go live and also enter somebody's agency and the rest of that. You can see a lot of people right there. So this is how literally it works. This is how it works. So you can see your daily check-in, claim today. You can just claim today and claim your free win, gifts, and bonuses. So this is actually how Hala apps work. It's not hard. That's how it works. So if you want to withdraw after getting your points, click on points and you can just do the whole thing. If you want to watch that video, you can go to my my channel and you can see a video about how to withdraw. So that's how to play game. I made a video about that too, how to level up, how to make money on Hala app. So literally this is how to just use the app. If this guide was helpful, give this a thumbs up and quickly subscribe to get more helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.